Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood planers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, we'll help you find the perfect tool for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Woodworking Hand Planer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $25.30. It's perfect for those who are just getting started in woodworking or need an affordable tool for occasional use. The cast iron body provides durability and stability, while the steel alloy blade ensures smooth and precise cuts. The design is basic yet functional, featuring an impact-resistant plastic handle with a contoured grip that offers decent control. While it lacks the advanced features of pricier models, its adjustable gear allows for precise cutting adjustments. However, it's worth noting that you'll need to adjust the factory settings before using it, as outlined in the user manual. In terms of performance, this hand planer is great for light smoothing tasks, but struggles with harder woods or larger jobs. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle, but it might not hold up in a professional workshop. If you're a hobbyist looking for an inexpensive solution, this is a solid choice. Just keep in mind its limitations, such as the lack of advanced features or heavy-duty durability. At number 4, we have the WEN 6528 Electric Hand Planer. This compact and lightweight electric planer is priced at $29.76 and offers an affordable upgrade from manual options. With a 3.8 amp motor capable of delivering up to 32,000 cuts per minute, it's designed for efficiency in smaller woodworking projects. The build quality is decent, featuring an onboard storage slot for the blade adjustment wrench and a convenient kickstand to prevent damage to your workpiece. It's lightweight at just 4.3 pounds, making it easy to maneuver for extended periods. However, the cutting depth maxes out at 1/16 inches, which limits its ability for deeper cuts in thicker materials. This planer is ideal for hobbyists and DIYers working on light projects, such as crafting or furniture refinishing. While it doesn't have the power or versatility for heavy-duty tasks, its compact size and ease of use make it a good option for occasional use. Pros include its portability and low price, while cons are its limited cutting depth and relatively modest motor power. Coming in at number 3 is the WEN 6530 Electric Hand Planer. Priced at $52, this model offers a significant jump in power and versatility compared to the previous entries. Equipped with a 6-amp motor, delivering up to 34,000 cuts per minute, it's robust enough to handle a wide range of woodworking tasks, from smoothing boards to creating rabbets up to 1 inch in size. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, weighing in at 6 pounds and featuring a parallel fence bracket for precise planing. The cutting depth can be adjusted to 1/8 inches, which provides more flexibility for deeper cuts. It also includes a dust bag for easy cleanup and a kickstand to prevent accidental damage to your work surface. In terms of performance, this planer strikes a balance between affordability and capability. It's great for hobbyists and semi-professionals who need something versatile without breaking the bank. Pros include its higher power and deeper cutting capabilities, while cons are its slightly bulkier design and louder operation compared to smaller models. Overall, it's a fantastic mid-range option for woodworking enthusiasts. At number 2, we have the WEN PL 1252 Benchtop Thickness Planer. Priced at $298.88, it's designed for users who need a serious tool for larger and more demanding projects. The 15-amp motor delivers 20,000 cuts per minute, with a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, making it a powerful and efficient choice for planing boards up to 6 inches thick and 12.5 inches wide. The design is solid, featuring a cast iron base for stability and durability. The 2 reversible SK5 blades offer excellent longevity, and the depth adjustment allows for precise cuts up to 1/8 inches. While it's heavier at 63.9 pounds, its benchtop design ensures stability during operation. This planer is ideal for professionals or advanced hobbyists working on larger woodworking projects. It delivers smooth, consistent results and handles hardwoods with ease. Pros include its power, precision, and ability to handle wide boards, while cons are its bulk and higher price point. If you're looking for a dependable benchtop planer, this one deserves your attention. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT D1S 735X thickness planer. This premium model comes in at $660.72 and is packed with features that make it the ultimate choice for professionals and serious woodworkers. With a 15-amp motor delivering 20,000 RPM and a cutter head speed of 10,000 RPM, this planer can handle even the toughest materials with ease. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base that's twice as rigid as standard models. The 3-knife cutter head extends knife life by 30% and allows for quick changes. The 2-speed gearbox lets you choose between 96 or 179 cuts per inch, optimizing for either speed or smoothness. Extras like the automatic carriage lock, fan-assisted chip ejection, and in-feed-out-feed tables make it a joy to use. While it's an investment, the DW735X delivers unparalleled performance and precision. It's perfect for professionals who need consistent, high-quality results on a daily basis. Pros include its powerful motor, advanced features, and durable build, while cons are its weight, 102 pounds, and high price. If you're looking for the best of the best, this planer is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.